Hi everyone, Miss Schlarman here, and today we're going to talk about positive, negative space. So if we look at this, these are two people looking at each other, right? So you can see, okay, that person is the profile. Here's the forehead, the nose, the mouth, the chin, and going down. And here's another person. Here's the forehead, the nose, the mouth, and then the chin. Now, this would be considered, if you're looking at the people, these are positive space, okay? We want to be positive. Now, this area right here is called the negative space. Now, let's see if we reverse it. So now, the negative space we have colored in all black, and the people there that were positive, they're all white now. So now if we look at it, now focus on the black here, and now it looks like a vase. So here we have it, and it looks like two faces looking at each other. Here we have the vase where it looks like a vase. So now we can even put some flowers there in front of it. So we have, looking at the positive space, this positive space is considered the vase. Okay, so positive, we're looking at, this is a vase. And then if we change it to our positive here, we're looking at two faces. But these are the same basic lines. So when you look at it, do you see the faces or do you see the vase? Or now, do you see both the vase and the face? And where it switches back and forth on you, it's like face, vase, or vase, face. It kind of goes back and forth with your eye. And all we did was readjust where we're focusing. What are we focusing on as the positive? Positive focus on here, we see the face. Positive focus on here, we see the vase. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create these neat little things, and then how you decorate them is going to be up to you. But we're talking about positive, negative space. All right, everyone. How's it going? Here's Miss Schlarman, and today we're talking about positive, negative shape. All right, so what I'm going to do is, you might need to ask someone to help you with this. It's a little tricky. I'm going to lay my head down, and I'm going to trace around it. It's important to keep your pencil vertical, straight up and down. And you don't want to poke your eye out or anything. So you might want to ask someone to help you if you need to. But you're just going to keep it vertical, and you're going to do those lines around it. Look at my face. Okay, notice I used a pencil with that because, one, I didn't want to put marker on my face if I messed up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around, and I'm going to trace it. And there is my face. Okay, now look at it. And I'm going to look over on this side. I can see it through. So I'm going to trace over on this side. And I'm creating a positive, negative face reversal. Okay, so here we go. Then I can see through it. If you have a hard time seeing through it, you can take this to a window and you can trace the lines through it. So there I have. Look at that. I have my face looking at my face. There it goes. Now I can think about, which one do I want to color in? Once you've got your two faces looking at each other to create the vase, now you're going to come in with coloring. You can choose to do just the black and white where I did, and I choose which one you want to make the black and which one you want to make the white. Now, you can also go in and get creative and turn it into making it look like a vase. Like here, I'm adding in the lights and the darks to make it give more of a form, right? We talked about form before. And here I went ahead and I just added an extra piece of paper to put some flowers. You could even make like origami 3D flowers, or like made this round and turned it into a sculpture. It's totally up to you. You get creative. If you want to focus on your face design, you can do that. Here are making it look realistic. Do you have to make it realistic? No, you don't. You can totally make it like polka dots all over the face, or a pattern somewhere. Get creative.